Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another webinar, market review, basically. So, without wasting time, I just want y'all to know, as per usual, the first week of any um any any month is a highly volatile week. So it is best, if you are not a skilled trader, please do not trade on the first week of any month, right? And then start trading on a week, the second week, like this week, because we had the first week here, right? Last week, there was high volatility and NFP, which killed people. And then we are in this week. So it's better to trade on the following week after NFP week. Anyway, with that said, this is going to be a good week. And we have CPI on Thursday, right? So we have CPI on Thursday, so that's USD news. So we're going to be looking at USD more, right? So let's get straight to the market. Let me just share my screen. Share screen. Share. Right. Okay. No need to see this. Okay. Getting straight to the market. Right. First things first, we look at DXY, the index, right? So I wanted to look at, okay, we always start with dollar index. Okay. So for dollar right now, let me remove this. Okay, the dollar moved up, retraced, and we're expecting it to continue to the upside. But when market is moving in a specific direction, it just doesn't move in that direction. It moves, retraces, moves, retraces. So this was a retracement, now it's a move. So it has moved up quite much and then retraced last week. So now we're expecting market to continue to the upside, right? So with that said, dollar to move to the upside. With that said, I use my fib. It moved up until that level. Then the fib tells me at which level will it start continuing again. So it retraced to 56.1.8. That's the zone, the kill zone that I'm looking for. And therefore, I'm confident that there'll be bullish momentum from here because it's in that zone to the upside, right? So we're looking for USD bulls, right, in this week. Uh, with that said, then most of our pairs we're looking for USD strength, right? So first thing obviously we need to look at also is we go to investing.com and then click here on economic calendar to see what's happening in this week. So we know when do we anticipate the USD strength to occur, right? So with that said, this week, right. So as we're looking at this week, today Fed Chair Powell testifies something's going to happen at 4. We've got interest rate decision for New Zealand. Maybe we'll look at NZD, for a possible direction for tomorrow morning. But you can see like majority of the news is based on USD, like 90% is USD. So definitely good to just focus on the USD for the week. And then we have CPI. Now, this nice thing about CPI, it's news that moves in one specific direction. It doesn't spike both ways like NFP, but 90% of the time it moves like once the news happens, it moves in that specific direction, which I am expecting to be USD strength. And I'm going for USD strength for the news, right? So now that we know what to anticipate during the whole week, for every day at 4, we must be careful in the market, right? We must be aware that it's either we close our trades or we look for trades at 4, right? Cool. Then Thursday then is a day where we look for that trade at 2:30. And then that's it for the week. So let's get straight to the charts there. So yes, we're looking for DXY strength, right? Good. With that said, sorry. I have been strict about this USD CHF that we're looking for move to the upside, you know. So we still from the zone. I was looking for moves to the upside, and the reason why was my indicator, this moving average, price broke out of there, came back, retested right on that line, and now it's pushing to the upside. So we can see with this morning star that price wants to move to the upside, and then we're expecting that move to continue this week. So with CPI and that Fed news, I'm expecting some big moves to the upside for USD, right? USD ZAR sitting on support here, hasn't broken. You can see this is a wild candle for a weekly candle. Moved all the way there in the week, then came back down. So, but the momentum is bullish. It should come there and stick there. There should be some candle filling till that zone. So we're looking for USD ZAR strength. There's already some bullish candle forming to push to the upside. Looking at that zone could be a good entry soon, right? It's a zone, it's a good zone to buy. Okay, so yeah, we're looking for that strength on USD ZAR, right? Great. GBP USD, as we said, more momentum to the downside, strength on USD. Now, yes, on this, if you're looking at it from this perspective, is it not pulling? Okay. If you're looking at it from that, we were looking for retest and fall to the downside, but it's always coming here to this level, to the top of this level here. And then you can see by that week that the momentum is now bearish, right? So let me just remove this line for now for confusion. But what is key is this monthly chart here, right? If you zoom in properly to the monthly, let me just remove some things here. We can see that every time GBP USD comes to this moving average, which is key, it spikes through but comes back down. And that was in August 2023. Here, March tried to move above, comes down. June last month tried to, but basically this resistance has been holding since April 2022. So we can see that this moving average is important and we are right there. So we're definitely expecting momentum to the downside from there, right? USD, Euro USD has been in a range. You can see for a month, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish for this month. So it's just been moving sideways. There hasn't been momentum. And then weekly, just week to weekly reset. There's a chart. It's been consolidating in the zone. And within that area, in sort of like an area like this, consolidating there, in this triangle. So we're looking for what will happen there. We'll look at it closely, monitor it closely at that zone where it is now. or any signs of bearish momentum since we're looking for USD strength. But one thing's for sure for me, as long as price is above this moving average, I'm free to buy. But now it's moving below that moving average, and hence the sells are coming, right? For USD strength, right? So we got sell, sell. Everything is confirming the USD strength coming, right? Here we've got gold, right? If we go to a higher time frame, it moved before everything, but yeah, looking at a higher time frame. You can see these two candles, they're almost the same height 2 days ago. So this this will end in a bullish candle, then it will drop to the downside. So it's looking for a retracement of that, those two candles, like 50% somewhere there. And then maybe for CPI, then move down. So I'll only be selling this at CPI, right? Not now. So that's what I'm looking for gold, right? Nasdaq, I'm not trading this. It's in no man's land. I don't want to even attempt it. People that are trying to attempt to sell this, please be aware. Where's my Nasdaq here? Please be aware with my leading indicator, it hasn't even reached target yet. So do not try and sell this thing. Just don't, right? Don't be brave. Don't try and be brave and sell that thing. Then I know a lot of people have been trying to sell BJ. Looks good to come down. It has been coming down, retracing, probably bearish momentum. So we will see. But yeah, let's get back to track. Nasdaq, don't try and sell it yet. US 30, you can see it for the past 5 days. It's been ranging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. These are 5 candles, a spike down, spike up, just clearing the market, but it's sideways. So I'm not interested in trading the indices at all. So I'm moving them right down here. Right. So we've covered everything. Okay, Bitcoin, since people love Bitcoin, expect some bulls. Yeah. When price breaks out of a zone, it has to retest, maybe drop. But yeah, expect some bulls right here. Some bullish momentum, maybe until there. Let's put this here. Some bullish momentum until there, then a drop. So we buy in until that zone, 59,908, and then we drop in. So we're looking for this move here. We buy and then drop. So maybe for the new 2 days, possibly this Tuesday, Wednesday, buy, then sell on Thursday for CPI, right? Then JPY pairs. It's been moving up for the longest time, but now we're expecting some pullback, right? And reason why is this, right? For JPY pairs. Let's look at the index, right? It's been dropping, consistently dropping since December, right? Dropping, retrace a little drop, retrace a little drop. Now we have this was a support area, it broke it. Now we have a pin bar, right? Showing strength for Japanese yen. And we're looking for this candle to close in the same height as that one for the week. So after this week, we'll be able to confirm if we're buying this thing, because it's halfway through the year, and it might turn for the other half, might be bullish for the other half of the year. So that's what you're looking for, to see this candle at least come to this height to actually consider buying JPY pairs. I mean, selling JPY pairs and buying JPY. So for now, not a safe area to play around. Don't try and sell USD JPY yet. Do not try to be brave. Rather be safe and sorry. So yeah, that's my market review for the week. For this week, we are buying dollar for the 61.8 zone on weekly. We are buying USD CHF. We are buying USD ZAR. We are buying GBP. We are selling GBP USD. We are selling Euro USD. Gold, we're just looking for a little retracement to 50% and then drop, right? But yeah, do not try and go against the trend. It's always dangerous to try and go against the trend. So yes, we see that USD strength. If it has moved, wait for it to retrace and then sell and then buy USD. But do not try and sell USD because at any point it could just spike and for USD strength. So you don't want to go against the wave, rather go with the wave to save your account. So that's what we're looking for. Oh, and then NZD for tomorrow. Let's see. NZD for tomorrow. NZD USD for tomorrow. Just want to see possibilities tomorrow. NZD strength. Yeah, I see NZD strength for tomorrow. Yeah, definitely NZD strength for tomorrow. That's what I'm seeing. So if you want to trade the news, trade for NZD strength. And then yeah, that's what I see for the week. So I'm seeing that strength for NZD because there is sort of this happening. So I see it pushing up till the, although it's USD strength, but I see it pushing up. So till there. So you would buy NZD for tomorrow's interest rate decision. But yeah, that's about it. So focus on 3 or 4 pairs. Don't look at every single pair unless you're a full-time trader. If you're so the best trades I always put on the top, right, to focus on, then the least at the bottom. So USD CHF, USD ZAR, GBP USD are the ones top 3. Then yeah, the others come after. So if you focus on those 3, you can make your money for the week. So yeah, that's it for this week. Have a profitable week and yeah, see you next week. Cheers.